गुड मॉर्निंग गुड चिल्ड्रन। आज हम देखेंगे डाइजेशन इन रूमिनेंट एनिमल। रूमिनेंट एनिमल कौन से एनिमल होते हैं? ऐसे एनिमल जो जुगाली करते हैं। क्या क्या करते हैं? जुगाली करते हैं और ग्रास ईट करते हैं। तो दीज एनिमल्स आर कॉल्ड रूमिनेंट एनिमल। तो वी विल टेक द डायग्राम। दिस डायग्राम बिलोंग टू एनसीईआरटी। तो देयर आर द पार्ट्स ऑफ द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम ऑफ ruminant animal. This is esophagus, this is rumen, this is small intestine, this is large intestine, cecum and stomach. For further discussion, we will take a new diagram. Okay, this. In this diagram, you see there are four chambers in the digestive system of cow or ruminant animal. First is rumen, second is reticulum, third is omesum, or fourth one is abomesum. Okay, and you see how the digestion in grass eating animal or ruminant animal takes place. First the food or grass goes into the mouth, then from mouth it goes into the through esophagus, it goes into the first chamber of the digestive system of the animal called rumen. Here the food is partially digested. Okay, after this partial digestion, the partially digested food is called cud. C U D, cud. Partially digested food is called cud. This partially digested food is again returned to the second chamber of the digestive system called reticulum. Then reticulum, this food is goes back to the mouth for further chewing. दोबारा उसे चबाने के लिए माउथ में खाना आता है. Then mouth, this food is goes to the third chamber. The blue color line, it is omesum. This blue color line, it is omesum. It goes to omesum. Here the water from the partially digested food is absorbed. Okay, then after this omesum, this food is goes to abomesum. Okay, abomesum, the food is goes to the black color line, it is abomesum. It is the fourth chamber of the digestive system of ruminant animal. It is also called, abomesum is also called true stomach. Okay, after abomesum, this food goes to the small intestine. It is called small intestine, and then after small intestine, it goes to large intestine. But when it goes to large intestine, in between small intestine and large intestine, there is a pouch-like structure. You see this pouch like structure. This is called cecum present between the large intestine and small intestine. In this cecum there are so many bacteria are present, which are very very helpful in the digestion of cellulose. Cellulose, it is a complex. Cellulose is a complex starch. Okay, only ruminant animal can digest cellulose, otherwise human cannot. Then after small intestine, it goes to large intestine, and after large intestine the maximum absorption is taking place in small intestine, and finally the food is expelled from the anus of the digestive system. Okay, now come to this second slide. Here it is a root of the ruminant animal, how the food is going into the body. First the grass or cellulose goes into the mouth, then esophagus, then first chamber rumen, then here partially digestion is taking place. Then after this partially digested food is called curd, from the rumen return to the reticulum. Okay, reticulum is the second chamber of the, then it goes to mouth for further chewing, or then the chewed is food is goes to the omesum, the third chamber of the digestive system. Then after this, here maximum absorption of water taking place, then it goes to abomesum, is a true stomach, it is also called true stomach, then small intestine, then finally large intestine. But in between small intestine and large intestine there is a structure called cecum. Here many bacteria are present, which are very helpful in the digestion of cellulose. And finally it expelled from the undigested food is expelled from the body through anus. Hope you understand the digestion in ruminant animal. Then come to the digestion in amoeba. It is single amoeba is single celled organism. It is single celled organism. The food is this single celled organism engulf or ingest the food into its body through a special structure called pseudopodia. These pseudopodia are called false feet. These are called false feet. These are also called false feet. इन्हें false feet भी बोला जाता है. In the digestive system, this food is digested in the food vacuole. Finally, it goes into the food vacuoles. Here, the complete digestion of the food taking place. Okay, in this digestive system of a single-celled organism like amoeba, they take solid food ingested in the body and make it simpler to absorb. Okay, you see the diagram here. Food particle goes inside pseudopodia, extend and and make a and the food goes inside the amoeba. Okay, and absorb there. Okay, hope you understand the digestion in ruminant animals and digestion in single cell organism like amoeba. Thank you.